I have some packages. Good height, bad height. So this is a company I love. Oil samples. Dear Gian, I am excited to be sending more of Taila to you. They sent me 2 PR packages before, but this time I made purchases. I've included our nourishing spoon that signifies abundance and inspiration as a token of our appreciation. Sending light and love. Happy holidays, Jessica. I got this illuminating toning mist because it goes with the mask. I love their eye oil. Finally, mist. This is definitely my favorite one. Very thick and it's honey, and the Ayurvedic formulations, they work. Because this is so thick, you need to use it with the mist. If you don't have the mist, you can use a little bit of water. But this mist is so unique. It kind of smells like apple cider vinegar. The second I tried this was the moment I got into green beauty in terms of eye cream. The glow that you see, wow, this is a lot lighter than the other one. What if the formulation changed? Because I had another one that was more orange. You know, everyone is always about the bomb stuff. So the next thing I got is a GoPro. Thank you, sister, for offering to pay for half of it. Also, I don't know now, was it you that bought something on Earthwise? Because I got a $40 affiliate credit from them, which is a nice little bonus. I still need to link it because I didn't link it correctly.
Where do you keep that stuff in?
11, 12, 1, 2, 3. 4 hours later, let's go take a walk. I think GoPro is charged. It really is so cute and so small. The front screen is not as crisp as I imagined, but let's see. All right, let's go outside very quickly. I need to put my shoes on. I'll be back. I'm a fish-eyed. Yes, I'm very happy that I got the one with the front-facing camera. Makes a very big difference. Okay. Okay, easy peasy. You know, it's kind of like she didn't even know that I was vlogging. And it's not like I put my camera up just for the incident. I ran into the incident. I just what am I gonna do? Turn my camera off because she's there? No. Everyone hates me out there. Again, if you don't have the spray, just use some water. But it smells so nice. It doesn't smell like honey. A little does go a long way. I noticed with this in particular, it doesn't dry up tight or anything like that. If you have any bumps coming in, this will probably get them out of the way. No joke, whenever I have a pimple coming in, it will shoo it away. It's not the cheapest brand, but I believe in their ingredients. You can also leave this on for a very long time. Let's look at the packaging. The sublime union of raw honey, clay, and pure plant oils yield a soothing treatment that infuses skin with active enzymes and nourishing flora to restore radiance. Black cumin clarifies pores and boosts skin's health as turmeric, it's turmeric that I smell, and clove promote cell turnover and reduce inflammation. Sage and pomegranate revive dull complexions by detoxifying See how it starts loosening up the mask? I just miss this so much whenever I run out. I do run out time after time. This is my third jar and third bottle. This compared to, let's say, the pharmacy honey mask is not even a freaking comparison at all. When it comes to green beauty, you notice that the ingredients make all of the difference. It's just, I like the idea that there are no chemicals involved, nothing fishy. But for me, it's the effect. So I'm gonna leave this on. Face washed. I know I talk about this in my last video. So with this Earthwise, which is the Ambriosa do Cerrado Liquid Moisturizer. This is a texture, very watery, but perfect because I want to layer the balm on top. And if it was any thicker than this, it would start pilling. Oh, there's a package coming.